Hello YouTubers, back here again with this rebuild of Grantham locomotive shed. As you can see, I've reinstated the two-road shed down here to the southern end. Following on from that, it's back to the old geometry, some pits, and with the downscaling of the facilities, I'm utilising this old ratio kit as the supposed coaling facilities. I'll just have a coal wagon or two parked here through the shift to demonstrate that the coal is being loaded into the hopper. I suppose in reality that would be done in the middle of the day while the locos are out working. And through to the other end here, just reinstated the buildings. There's a long road there. Bachmann's just released a new single road brick servicing shed or whatever it might be called. I'll include a photo of that. I might just put it there, I think, on the line. Where the Jubilee's sitting. Might have to move that other line over with the Princess on it. That's fine. That should be here in a couple of weeks, being Australia, and so we'll be able to utilise that. I'll just bring in the new 4F, run it through the sidings. Now that the track laying is completed, the next phase will be wiring up the sections. Because I run analog, there's probably another 30 section switches to be put in, I imagine, between here and up there at Herges Ridge. So that'll give me plenty of scope to shunt the locomotives around in a semi-realistic fashion, I suppose. But far too many locos to even contemplate going DCC. So we'll see how this one sits.